Hello everybody, welcome back to another YouTube video. This is Dopico Gaming, and I am here with some Slime Rancher. I'm not gonna lie, I didn't pay the 20 bucks. I got it for free off of Epic Games from March 13th, I believe, to March 21st. So if you're watching this video on March 21st or March 20th, I don't know when this video is gonna be posted, but if you have an Epic Games account, you can go in and get this for free. We're gonna learn about this together. I don't have a load. At least I don't think I do. We're about to find out together. See? I've played about 5 minutes of it at my friend's house because he has the game. So, save icon. Ooh, I like the Tabby. I think they're like Tabby, Cat, Rocky. I don't know what they're all. Oh, that's the light up flying one. I haven't seen that one. Magma dude. Nope, haven't seen him or him. Oh, he's a really expensive one. I want to kill it. Okay. Live the life of a slime rancher and explore the wonders of far, far range at your own space. I think it's 1,000 light years away is what the game said. Relax, take on adventure mode without any threat of start. No, I'm on adventure rush. No, I think adventure's gonna be fun. So, yeah. Sorry if I sniffle a lot and, do a lot. Yeah, 1,000 light years. I'm a bit sick. A planet known as the Far, Far Range. Beatrix LeBeau begins the first day as a slime rancher. LeBeau. These graphics are a bit low compared to how I remember. Okay, I remember a little bits of it. Got a yoink. Pink sign. What's this? Hello, Beatrix. Name's Hobson. Rancher explorer in the former owner this year ranch you now call your own. Pleased to make your acquaintance. I was once a rancher for more years than I can remember and felt that there was one last adventure left for me, so I set out to find just that. Before I go, I'm taking one last tour around this here land I love. So keep your peepers peeled for notes like these if you want to hear what an old coot has to say every now and then again. Be talking to you. H. So Hobson Twillagers. Can you not, like, swoosh? Oh, I think I can do this. Sick. Pogo fruit. Can't I, like... Oh, no! Come back. Yeah, my eyes. Literally, I probably shouldn't be rubbing it. I could probably turn this into a live stream. I'm not going to though. I never get any viewers. The only viewers are me when I'm running it in the background. I had like 27 total views on my like 30 something streams. Oh, I'm gonna get 20 of these guys. Apparently a carrot. Sick. What's this? Pink plort. Oh, aren't these the plorts are the money makers. Oh, these pogo fruit. Hey, they're pogo fruit. Can I like? Oh no, I don't want to go over that. I see some plorts. I'll go down there in a minute. Watch these and like dunk. Oh, wrong way. Don't want to get lost. Ah, my eye. Wait a minute, guys. And there is my dog barking. By the way, I have a dog named Buddy. Buddy. Okay, I'll be right back, guys. games will kill my dog. I don't have like YouTube videos yet. I think I did exactly what I told myself I wasn't gonna do. So where'd I jump from? I jumped from right there. Yeah, I have to run all the way back over here. I'm so slow. Carrots. I max out on carrots? Almost. You vacked a slime. Can I shoot him from out here? Yeah, what about here? No! Come back! Trying to do this. That's cool. Yeah, this is a really cool game. Can I like suck these guys up from out here? Just phase them through the wall. Nope. Okay. Oh no. No. Is this a chicken? It's a chicken. Bing. Where's chicken go? Hey chicken. Oh, it's a hen, I forgot. Okay, so these guys, high walls. No. They're not. Force barrier that covers the top and take a few hits before needing to recharge. Oh, that's cool. Solar shield will encase a coral in a dim shade. Cool. Auto feeder. We'll drop food. And demolish. Apply cost to demolish. Okay. Well, I have some plorts, so I think I have to sell them over here. New bucks for your hard-earned plorts. Yeet. Wait, yeet. What if I miss it? Still works. Cool. Can I sell carrots? Doink, doink. You learn the fundamentals, now it's time to go out there and start university. These guys eat carrot. Oh, diet, everything. Will they eat a hen? I think they might. Oh, I'm gonna try to go for all the plorts, but I'm probably gonna miss some. And I'm probably gonna suck up some slimes. Wait, actually, I'm gonna do this. Okay. And they're escaping. I got you. Oh yeah, well, I'm only gonna do day 1 in this video. If you guys have any recommendations, just leave them in the comment section below. And I'll be sure to read those. Oh my goodness, there we go. Bounce. Oh hey, I have some plorts now. That's cool. I think there's an upgrade station somewhere. Is it this? Yeah, heart module. Syncs with your body's on. Plus it's sparkly. Energy to 150. I might need that one. That would be cool. Jetpack. And a water tank. Ooh, I'm gonna need to do that water tank. What's this? I don't know what that is. I'm just gonna go through here and just... Ooh, can I get a new enclosure? Oh! Just yeet the pink slime. Hen. I got me some hens. Okay, so. And yoink. Imagine we sell slimes. Okay, I'm sorry if I just don't talk very much because I'm just used to playing games without talking. Oh, that's amazing! Whoa! At least if I do this, it holds them on the ground. Or most of them. Probably like doink. Get back. Noom. Just throwing the hen around. Just a yeet. Rich. What's this? Eat, activate. I don't need to read this. It's getting late. What does this do over here? I don't know what this does, so I'm not going to click it just yet. I feel like carrots are a good thing to have. Yeet. And thank you. Oh. I'm gonna need that port collector first. Cool. They're eating. This is cool. I actually like this game. A lot of my friends don't, but I really appreciate it because it's just something cool. It's different and it's interesting. Or I could do this. Yeah, that works. Well, I have some pogo fruit. I'm gonna eat. Can I like snipe it? This is amazing. I swear if this goes in. That was amazing. Okay. Yeah, when day 2 begins, I'm gonna end this video. From now on, I'm gonna try to be a little more talkative. Just do a little more, but I don't know how well that's gonna work. Can I yoink that? Thank you. Ooh, plorts. Cool. I don't need you guys. You guys can be free. And yeet and yeet. Oh, that's cool. What's this? Wait, I can throw them. Oh, yeah, just like make it bleed on the rock. I think he's gonna fly away. I don't know though. Yoink. Yoink. He tried to escape. He did his best, but his best wasn't enough. These pink plorts are amazing. Can I snipe? Snipe. Oh wow. I almost have 500 for the plort collector. I think there's gonna be like tars and stuff like that. Tarzan. Phosphor. Yeet. That's not very. And come on. I'll come back to you. He'll come down eventually. this? Does he eat this? What's his diet? Fruit. Vegetable. I need a fruit. I need a fruit. Give me a fruit. I need a fruit. I actually need a fruit, like right about now, please. Tabby! They eat meat. Oh. Okay, let me just like. You eat the hen? Okay, we're gonna throw you in the corner. We're gonna take that. To beat the hen. Oh! A tabby plort. Cool. Okay. So I'd say I made good progress on my first day. First day's almost over though, and yeah, he escaped. I knew that would happen. They have to be put in like that cave over there, I think. Phosphorus is down, but Tabby is even. Okay. Yoink. Come on, 500, 500, 500. And we're not at 500. Wait. Does he drop both plorts? He does. That's amazing. Let's go. Yoink. Nope, I missed. Sorry, bud. Nope. Are you gonna eat the carrot or not? Chomp. Nope. Just yeet. Okay. Okay, I need to get this down. Wait. Oh, that was amazing. First day's almost over, so I'm gonna have to end this video soon. It was definitely a lot of fun, and I enjoyed it. We're gonna go around and look for some more fruits, vegetables, phosphor, Tabby. Okay. Oh, doink, doink. I would really appreciate some food. Wait, they eat anything. Okay, I want them by each other, so I'm more likely for one of them to eat it. Thank you. Nice doing business with you. You too. I think your guys were more expensive. Oh wait, I can't feed you that. Oh well. Pink plort, pink plort. Ayy, I'll take you with me. Can I snipe him in? Can I snipe it in? Not even close. I can snipe these though. Oof, okay. Well, I'm rich. I think that I'm gonna buy, not an auto feeder, but a port collector. Purchase. Where's that at? Which corner is it on? So it can collect 2 different types of plorts. Can you not fly like that, please? Wait, how far can he go? Can I catch him? Caught him. Wait, am I allowed to, like... What happens to him? Oh, he just got deleted. Can I, like, suck up water? Oh, I almost just died there. I think that there's, like, a little pond over here. I think I'm gonna title this video something cool, like, I don't know, I haven't really thought about it. And I realized I went into day 2, but that's okay. Well then. I don't remember exactly where the water was, but I'll look for it. What's this? Oh. That's cool. Oh, well, a chickadee. That's good. A chickadee. That's amazing. We're just gonna like yoit. Actually, you know what? We can have tabbies. We'll just hope that these guys go in. Oh. Okay, that was a yeet. We're just gonna zoom. Oh. Okay, what's next? Is there a plort right there? Can you not, sir? Thanks. Oh, he's gone. I'm gonna forget how to get back and I'm gonna die. Can I get like a plort or something? I swear, these guys are annoying. Okay. Can I jump? No, I don't want to jump it. Okay, I saved it. I'm gonna go back to the base to end this video. Noom. And okay, we got Tabby Dabby. I think Tabbies only eat meat. That should go in. Okay, we just hope for the best. Nope, that wasn't supposed to happen. I just threw a plort. No, come back! Okay, 121, I think. Okay, I'll take it. I got about 121. I think one of these is crazy expensive. The overgrowth. Can't go in there, okay. Okay, I see how it is. Well, I think I'm gonna leave this video here. It wasn't a great start, but before I leave, we'll just see what this does. Star mail. Hey B, what is it like to sleep for a whole year? Did you dream? I can't imagine. It's like 77 EE or 7Z. Puts you in a pod and then lights out for all that time. Wow. What's the far, far range like? Have you started exploring? Is it as clear as they say? I bet it's really beautiful. I'm probably asking too many questions. I bet you have a lot of work to do on that ranch. I still can't believe it's yours now. I guess I better leave you to it and just save it and keep it short. Good luck, B. If anyone can make it out there, it's you, Casey. Welcome to the 7Z Corporation. This is LaBelle. LaBelle Corporation would like to welcome you to the far, far range. Welcome, and extend our support in bold new adventures as a Slime Rancher. Support extended. I would also like to request that you exercise caution your first few days on the range until you get more familiar with your surroundings. Traveling at night is not advisable. Last, you should require any additional tools for your backpack or any items. Make your Slime Ranch experience easier. The 7Z Corporation will be pleased to provide them for you at the shop located just outside your ranch house. Finding tools you need to get the job done. For us, a small fee. For us, for a small fee. Okay, cool. Well, I think that's cool. I'm gonna sleep until morning and leave this video here. I just skipped a day. Oh. Well, I think it's good to leave that video there. Thank you. And I'll read that mail in the next video. Thank you all for watching. And as always, have a great day. Goodbye.